Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious breakfast potato hash that will have you craving at all times of the day. All it takes is a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. For the yellow potatoes, I recommend dicing them and then placing them in a pot with water to boil. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain well and place them back in the skillet. Once in the skillet, over a high heat, add unsalted butter cubes, melt and stir. While the butter is melting, chop the red bell peppers and do the same process to the sweet yellow onions. Next, take one Fresno pepper and one jalapeno pepper and thinly slice and do a rough chop. I'm choosing to keep the seeds to give the dish a spicy kick. Then toss it all in with the potatoes and saute for 4 to 5 minutes, just enough to caramelize all the ingredients. Don't forget to season with pepper and kosher salt. Next up, I'm adding our fresh herbs. I choose sage and thyme for the aroma. Add them to your pan and give it a stir. Ingredients are in the description below, and please don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. You want to keep stirring the potatoes every time to get an even golden brown color. I chose shiitake, oysters and cremini mushrooms to bring earthiness and to bring different flavor profiles. You just need to cut them in half. The larger pieces can be cut into quarters. If you're not a fan of mushrooms, you can always substitute for bacon bits. Toss them in your pan and give it a good stir. Doesn't this look amazing? Once your potatoes have some nice brown color, make 4 pockets with your spatula. Crack an egg into each pocket, just like I'm doing here. And here. And here too. Add some goat cheese crumbles on top. Cover and cook over low heat for 4 to 5 minutes until the whites are set and the yolks are still runny. Season the eggs with fresh cracked pepper and a little bit of salt. And garnish with sliced green onions. Now let's dig in. I hope you enjoy making this dish as much as I did.
So hot. Adios, amigos.